Alright, what is going on, guys? Robert back here with another video, and today we'll be talking about how you can find your niche for your Shopify store and start selling your first few products. So I have 3 steps that I use to find my niche. Step 1, pick a passion. Pick something that people are really interested in, that they're gonna have ease coming to your store. Passion could be basketball, baseball, arts and crafts, whatever. You pick it, you decide on what you want to do. Step 2, pick a broad category of items that you'll be selling. For example, clothing, jewelry, equipment, things like that. Step 3, start with men or women. This is just easier to do for targeting on Facebook and Instagram ads, and people feel a lot more affected by ads and are a lot more likely to click through if they feel that it's more related to their gender. And if you want, I also have a step 4, target your niche down to the age segment. So if you want to target teens, young adults, seniors, you can do that. But if you don't know the ages associated with your niche, you don't have to touch that right away, so don't worry about it. But once you went through these 3 steps, you should have a niche that looks like this: basketball clothing for men, or CrossFit clothing for women, whatever. It's all up to you. So make sure you just find those 3 things and then put them together, and then that becomes your niche. Alright, so now that you find your niche, how do you find your first few products to start selling on Shopify? Where do you start? First, pick your niche that you just found, and then bring it down 2 levels. So bring it down to a sub niche, and then within that sub niche find another sub niche. So now you're gonna have a sub niche within your niche. Still with me here? Within that sub niche is the key, because you're gonna find something that is very specific that you'll be able to target audiences with. So for example, if you picked a basketball clothing for men, then you're gonna go to basketball, which is the main theme of your store. You're gonna bring it down to a sub niche, which can be, for example, basketball athletes. And within that sub niche is a smaller sub niche, which is each individual basketball athlete. So for example, LeBron James, Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, you get the idea. The reason why you want to go so specific is because you want to be able to find on Instagram a fan page that is related to your product. And when people see that product, they're going to feel affected enough by it that they're going to go to your sales page and they're going to buy your product. If it's simply a shirt with the basketball, I mean, sure, people who follow Kobe Bryant might be into that, but because it's not that specific to the page that they're following, they're probably not going to go to the sales page and buy anyway. So you just want to make sure that you go down to a really specific sub niche, and then you find something that you can work with. And also, now that you have your broad product category, you're going to bring it down and you're going to specify to one type of item. For clothing, it can be a shirt, it could be sweatpants, it could be sweatshirts. Just make sure you bring it down to one product type. So now that you have a sub niche and a particular item, you're going to join those 2 terms together, and you're going to go to either AliExpress or DHgate or any other site that allows you to do drop shipping, and you're going to be searching those 2 terms in the search bar, and you're going to be finding the products that you can start selling with. And once you're on those sites, make sure you filter the search so that the product with the highest number of orders shows first. Of course, I'm going to be making a whole other video separately that is going to show exactly how to search for the products and how to find the products to put on your Shopify store. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But that was it on how to find your niche. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helped you guys a lot. If it did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care.